Okay, Dr. Liang, you chose some specific Chinese herbs to show us today. Would you please tell us why you chose these specific Chinese herbs, what the names are, and what you use them to treat?
Yes. In my office, I have over 300 different kind of this type of herb. We call that a raw herb. Okay. I pick up someone because they look so pretty in here, and also I often use them to treat some condition, And the first one is Jintan root. We also call that longdan grass. Okay, this is one of the liver cleansing remedy. They use this one. Okay, and this one are very good to purge the damp heat from the liver. They clean the liver. Okay, it's good if you drink alcohol, and after the drink alcohol, you should take this type of herb. But this type of herb, the taste is very bitter, so I really go to my remedy, because once you drinking those liquid, it can be very bitter. But good news is we have liver cleansing pills, so I would suggest people just regularly include myself, because when we have stress, stress is going to hurt the liver. You regularly need a liver cleansing. Some people have high intensive work, like a doctor, lawyer, or Wall Street people. They will really need this type of it keeps the liver function good, because many diseases is because of liver disorder first, and then involve other organ according to traditional Chinese medicine. This one similar. This go to liver and gallbladder. This one name is Scutularia. Scutularia, Huangqin. This herb go to lung meridian. This one, but also is good for purge the liver damp heat. So when I give a remedy, this one tastes better. So when I need to treat the heat syndrome and clean the liver, I will choose this one. This one very good for treat a lung problem like bronchitis, pneumonia. So this is actually the copper organ, copper herb. This one we call that prepared aconite root. This is a very special one. They put the prepared first. Why we have to prepare this one? Because if we use this one raw, this is already prepared. Once they distribute to the herbology, they already prepared for it. These herb have a toxic, okay, and later on we have to talk about the herb toxicity. So if you don't prepare it, it can hurt you. They will work on the central nervous system, can cause a lot of, can very critical side effect, So, but once they prepare it, there's no side effect. And this is a great herb. Is a function is strengthens the kidney yang. Anything like adrenal gland weakness, and like for example like hypothyroidism. This is a master herb. Okay, the different, even though I tell you this herb is good for hypothyroidism, you still have to go to herbologist to use it, because there's a combination, because Chinese medicine don't use a single herb. And also dosage. I'm not going to release in here. Dosage is very important. If you take very little, it doesn't work. If you took overdose, it can hurt you also, because the Chinese herbal medicine is a strong medicine. It's not like you can go drugstore or go online to order by yourself. You have to be guided by the well-trained herbologist. And this one also can impotence. This one also can treat can rescue people when we have but this we really meet people. Usually people fainted or cardiac shock, they will go to emergency room. But this one in Chinese medicine, we can rescue people also. I use this one to treat night urination, like weakness of the kidney qi, cause people frequently at night time have to pee and then they cannot sleep well, and the next day have no energy, and this is a perfect herb, hypothyroidism. And some gynecology, like infertility caused by the weakness of kidney qi, like the uterine coldness can cause infertility, can cause people cannot conceive, and this is a must use herb also. It's depending on the diagnosis. Okay, this is astragalus. Astragalus is everyone, most people know it is one of the herb can boost immune system. Okay, this go to spleen and go to lung, spleen, and meridian. Okay, it's number one boost immunity herb. But you cannot only use this herb. If you only use this one, it could have that effect, but you must combine with the second herb. That's why I put this seed in here. This seed name is Fructus ligastri lucidi. 女贞子. 女贞子 is look like a kidney, right? Very, very small, seed. So this herb has to combine with astragalus. By this way, it can achieve the maximum result for the boost the immune system. This can treat people explore to the radiation, and also like a cancer treatment, like after chemotherapy radiation, we must use it in the remedy for them.
Good.
Okay. The last one is Atractylodis. I mentioned I have a number of them in the same family herb. This one can remove the mucus, remove dampness and mucus. It strengthens this go to spleen meridian, also go to the stomach meridian. So it can treat candida, because candida is so common, and candida, we call that syndrome. It can cause dizziness, it can cause tumor in our body, ovarian cyst, uterine fibroid, and high cholesterol, and acid reflux, indigestion, So the candida, everyone should watch out with this, because you may not have symptom now, but later on, when you have symptom, will be very difficult to treat, because the mucus is not easy to come out. This is one of them. I have at least another 6 of them can treat, remove the mucus. So this also can give you energy, this herb.
Good. Thank you, Dr. Liang.
You're welcome.